Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming your carrier plan and available data. This avoids surprise throttling. Once done, enable mobile data in settings because the hotspot uses cellular first. Then go to Settings, right arrow Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow others to join so the phone advertises a network. Make sure you create a strong Wi-Fi password, 8 or more characters, so strangers can't join. This immediate setup gets the iPhone broadcasting and ready for connections in the next steps. Now you connect devices. On the laptop or tablet, open Wi-Fi and pick the iPhone SSID shown in Settings. It matches the device name. Next, enter the hotspot password you set. Once authenticated, the device will be online. If you need speed or want to conserve phone battery, plug the iPhone into the computer with USB. This also provides a secure connection. Alternatively, pair via Bluetooth for low power use. Make sure to monitor the connected device list in Settings to control access. To finish, disconnect devices and turn Personal Hotspot off to save battery and data. Check your data meter if you're on a limited plan. If someone can't join, first toggle mobile data and the hotspot off and on. This resets the radio and often fixes the issue. If that fails, restart your iPhone or tap Settings, right arrow General, right arrow about to trigger carrier setting updates. One key troubleshooting tip: if USB fails, try a different cable or change to Wi-Fi to isolate the fault.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.